Okay, so question 1b asks us to evaluate this integral. I'm going to begin by introducing a variable u, and I'm going to let u equal to the square root of x plus 1. That could be written as x plus 1 in brackets to the power of half, and du dx is given by half x plus 1 to the power of negative half multiplied by the derivative of what's inside the brackets, which is x plus 1, and the derivative is 1. And so that could be rewritten as 1 on 2 square root of x plus 1 times 1, which is itself. Now, since u equals to the square root of x plus 1, we can rewrite this as 1 on 2u. And so du is given as dx on 2u, and dx can be understood to be 2u du. Now, looking at the limits of this integral, when x equals to 0, u equals to the square root of 0 plus 1, which is the square root of 1, which is 1. And when x equals to 3, u equals to the square root of 3 plus 1, which is the square root of 4, which is 2. So the limits could be written in terms of u as 1 to 2. I'm just going to make this express u in terms of make x the subject. So u squared is equals to x plus 1. So x is u squared minus 1. So these answers here in these squares are particularly important to solving this integral. So I'm going to just highlight them, and I'm going to clear the board. Okay, so I've cleared the board and rewritten the solutions we had from the previous slide. Okay, so to evaluate this integral, I'm going to just rewrite it here as from 0 to 3 x square root of x plus 1 dx. This could be rewritten as limits 1 to 2. The x is given by this, so it's u squared minus 1 in brackets. Square root of x plus 1 is u. So I'm going to write u here for this part of the equation. And dx is given by 2u du. Okay, so this is much easier to solve. I'm going to just pull the 2 out and make it a constant outside the integral. So it's going to be 2 outside of 1 to 2 u squared minus 1, and u multiplied by this u is going to be u squared du. And if we just expand this, it's going to be 2 outside of 1 to u to the power of 4 minus u squared du. Okay, so I'll just clear the board. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. So now it's a matter of just solving this. So the primitive of u to the power of 4, u to the power of 5 on 5 minus u cubed on 3 with limits 1 to 2. And there's a 2 outside here. Okay, so that equals to 2 to the power of 5 over 5 minus 2 to the power of 3 over 3 in brackets minus 1 to the power of 5 on 5 minus 1 to the power of 3 on 3, close bracket, close square bracket. And this is going to equal to 32 on 5 minus 8 on 3 minus negative 2 on 15. Okay. And so if you evaluate that, put it into your calculator, you'll get 2 times 58 on 15, which turns out to be 7 and 11 over 15 as your answer.